To Lilas Public School, Jamgaon Road, Motipur. This is our main entry gate. Now we are just see that the outer view of the whole block of our school. This is our parking area where staff, some vehicles are standing here along with administrative vehicles. This is our boundary wall from this side. Now moving to this side. This is the guard room. This is the guard room. The first fire extinguisher is here. The copy is also there for the entrance. This is the boundary wall. This is the boundary wall of this side. And many trees are, you can able to see, many trees are here. Now this is the area. This is the area where assembly area is there, where students can stand for the assembly. You can see that the surrounding area is very good with lots of trees, and the flowering plants are also here. Okay, this is the playground area for the primary section. Means classes 1 to 2, they can come and play here. Okay, this is the slide for the students. Students can enjoy here for spending time. Now we are moving to that side. Another playground area for the students also. Okay, this is another. Now this is our main entry gate, admin block. According to the COVID guideline, all the measures we are taking. This is the inspection spray cylinder. While at the entry, the sanitizer is here. From this part we are moving to outdoor sports area. This is the area where the classroom starts, and from this area, this part, this is the area for the outdoor sports. This whole part is there. We are moving to the outdoor sports area where students from generally classes 1 to sometime and mostly 3rd to 10, they used to play here. Now moving to the area, he is our PTI Tikesh. He will explain it.
Myself Tikesh Sahu. I did BPEd, MPEd, set qualified. This is our track and field.
कौन से गेम्स हैं?
ये बैडमिंटन, वॉलीबॉल कोर्ट, बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट, दिस इज खो-खो कोर्ट.
This is small kitchen area, kitchen garden.
खो-खो कोर्ट.
This is the entire boundary wall of the school premise, including the sports area also. Now we are moving back. We are moving back to the main reception area of the school. While moving back to our main area, we are starting with the classroom 1. We are first entering to the reception area, and then we are showing to the classroom area. This is the main entry gate of the reception. The first is here account admin section. This is reception. She is our reception and Kanchan Kulkarni ma'am. And these are all the guidelines on the notice board of the COVID, how to for the student about the COVID-19 and coronavirus. And the school mission vision is also there. And this is the reception computer and all the facilities. This is the notice board where all the book list of the classes are here from classes 1 to 10. Classes 1 to 10. This is our counselor room where counselors are used to guide the student along with the common washroom. Now, opposite to the counselor room, there is an examination room. We are entering to examination room. Here all the results of 2019-20 students are here because many parents still not taken the result. And the common washroom is there for the teachers examination member. This is the account section. From the outside only parents can come and pay the fees and all the office formalities they can do from here. Now from the stairs we can move to first floor. There are two ways. We can move to first floor from both the sides, but we are moving from inside. There are two ways. Now we are again moving back and moving from outside the first floor. But for the ground floor, the classroom now, this is the suggestion box and this is room number 1 for classroom for class 1. This is 600 square feet classroom with the audio visual room. It's a smart class and very spacious and very ventilated class. Now we are moving to next class from inside only. After the room number 1, that is classroom 1, we have for the ground floor girls washroom. This is the girls washroom for the ground floor for the students of primary section. That is from classes 1 to 3 mostly. This is the second fire extinguisher. This is of dry powder. Now we are entering to classroom. This is classroom, room number 2 for classroom 2. That is for class 2. Again it is audiovisual room, smart class. And for the class 2. We are coming out from, there is another way to move upstairs, but we are moving to the ground floor, third room. This is class room number 3 and classroom 3 for class 3rd. This is again 600 square feet classroom with smart class. Now we are moving to another classroom from this class only. And this is classroom, room number 4 for class 4. This is the notice board which the student made last year. Computer from classes 3rd to 5th. They made this because of the weather. Some of the letters are missing. And this is the one of the documents which is supportive to assessment A to H category. This is another notice board which the student made for newspaper making. They made the newspaper and have given the different names. Okay. Now we are moving to the one of the next side of the ground floor, means classroom 1, 2, 3, 4, room number 1, 2, 3, 4 for classes 1, 2, 3, 4 over. Now from that side, this is the super achiever of 2019-20. Now moving to this side, the first classroom of this side. Before that, we have POSCO box and the speed box. This is the next classroom. This is only for audio visual activity that students can come. Both the rooms are there, again 3 classrooms are there which is equipped with smart class. But this classroom is entirely that is given for the student other from 3rd to 10th. They can come once in a week to see the smart classes. This is the super achiever list from classes 1 to 5th. Now we are moving to the next area, that is this is the drinking area, ground floor, and this is the washroom for the boys. This is aqua guard along with the water cooler. This is the washroom area for the boys. Okay. Next classroom is, this is the first, second, now third fire extinguisher. We are entering to the next class, that is class 5th. Again 600 square feet classroom equipped with desks, benches and all the facilities like dustbin and all that, and this is for classroom 5th. We have a small canteen area also for the student. After classroom, for class 5th classroom, next class is for class 6. This classroom is for 600 square feet, well ventilated and spacious class. From here, but there is a notice board, so we can move from here. This is the third notice board which the student made last year. Different activities. They made the charts, poster making of Sanskrit. 6 to 8 students. And the next classroom is for class 7. Means ground floor we have the classroom 8, out of which 1 is audio visual and rest 7 is for 7 class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is another notice board which is a mix of Hindi as well as Sanskrit made by the student. Now we are moving to first floor, and for first floor there are 3 ways. This way the student can move from the stair, this side for admin block. For admin block or teachers, they can move from the reception area, and for students there is another area also, another way also from that stair, right hand side and left hand side. But we are entering to the library area from this side, that is from admin block. These are the stairs which lead to library. This is our library area. We are coming. This is the washrooms for staff. Washroom 1, washroom 2 for the staff. One for the male staff and another for female. which is Shweta Ade, library.
Good afternoon. I am Shweta Ade. I am librarian. Welcome to our library. This is a reading corner from magazine, books, education policy, 2000 magazine, newspapers. Ten, 1200 square feet से area, 1200 square feet area and 10 self library. First self English, content English and 001 160 many different books. Student reading area. Many books there. E-library. And this is a session register. Session register 1, 2. This is a issue register and a session register 1, 2, and issue register and the issue cards. We have 4,977 books. In 10th class set 4,977 books. This is the e-library and student for such books. Student reading area.
So you can see that we have a huge library of 1200 square feet. This is the reading corner and too much space is there for the students to read, and they can see from the window, through the window, the green area which is outside. Means for reading they are getting silent atmosphere also and good view also. Now after moving to library, we are moving to principal's room. This is our principal's room, which is common room. Common room is attached.
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Kavita Giripaswamy, Principal of Lilas Public School. Thank you.
Okay. This is the common room this is the washroom for the principal room. Here all the cameras, it is server room also. At the one point it is server, it acts as the server room also, where all the 48 cameras actions are noticed. This we will see later. Okay, we are coming from the now principal room. We are moving to this side. After library, which have 1, 2 and two doors along with one big door. Now this is the staff room 1, where teachers can sit and they can do their daily work. This is the staff room 1. Here we are entering in staff room 1. All the teachers are, because they have some online classes today, they are taking some are doing their work. Okay, this is staff room 1. Moving to this side, this is our washroom for the girls, that is female. This side. In our washroom, all the ground floor, first floor and top floor, second floor, we have the same infrastructure of the washroom, where the wash basins are there and the girls urinal and all that toilet. This is next fire extinguisher. This type is water fire extinguisher. Now we are moving to next class, that is in ground floor we have completed up to class 7. Now the next classroom is for class 8. So we are moving to the next classroom, that is for class 8. This is for class 8. Again 600 square feet classroom, along with some charts are there related to science, and that cupboard is there to keep the things, important thing for the teacher. All the classrooms have 2 doors and 4 windows. These students have made another notice board of SST and some part of classes 1 to 5 EVS also there. Now classroom for class 8, we are next moving to next class. Before moving to class, this is another notice board, generally of SST, UNESCO and all that. The student made for the forest and all that. Next classroom is for class 9. 7, then 8, this is for 9. Green and white board combination is there for class 9. And again 600 square feet classroom along with the charts and the almirah for the teacher as well as student. Now class 8 for class 8 for class 9. Now this is the third classroom of first floor for class 10. This is again the same pattern, the same infrastructure for class 10. This is I have explained about this water fire extinguisher. Staff room 1 over. Along with the library, on that side of the library it is staff room 2. It is staff room 2. We are moving to the another side of the library, that is staff room 2. Now we are moving to staff room 2. Staff room 2. Now all the teachers are sitting because some are coming, some are not coming, so it is locked. This is the washroom area for the female. And before going to the washroom area, this is our wellness center. In wellness center, you can see the beds are there when the students are not feeling well, or it is equipped with, and the counselor is here, used to be here. Along with that, the medicines are also, the first aid box and the medicine are also kept here. After wellness center room, this is the boys common room and boys washroom also, where the partition for the student is on there, and the Indian and the Western toilet along with the wash basin. And this is the, in all the floors, a very vast, or you can say wide corridor is there. Now after that wellness center room is there, whole wellness center room, another fire extinguisher, that is dry powder. Now these are the extra classroom for the upgradation purpose. This is another classroom, again 600 square feet with dirt, desk, benches and all the other infrastructure available. While moving from this classroom to next extra classroom, these are the very effective charts, poster made last year students. It is a mixing of English and English is there. Mixing of English and some part of EVS. This is another classroom, extra classroom for the student for senior secondary level. While moving from this classroom, this chart is generally, they made the student for classes 1 to 5 maths. Now we are moving from first floor to the second floor, top floor, that is, from this area also or from that side also. The cameras, whole school having 48 cameras. In all the classroom, in library, in reception, everywhere the school is equipped with cameras. Now we are moving to the next classrooms. We are moving to the top floor where we have indoor sports room, music room, multi-purpose hall, and all the labs are there in this top floor. Maths lab, IT, that is computer lab, physics, chemistry and bio. Now moving to this is another fire extinguisher, and this is extra classroom third. Classroom 3, which is extra classroom for upgradation purpose. This is the fire extinguisher, same pattern. This is the washroom area for the boys. Washroom area for the boys. And we are moving to the IT lab. This is our IT lab, which is again 1200 square feet. We are entering. She is Neelam. She is introducing about the IT lab.
I am Neelam Yadav, TGT computer. This is our library. This is our computer lab. The area of lab is 1200 square feet. There are 20 complete set of computers along with full internet connection where students can search their information related to computer, other subject and general awareness. For classes 1 to 6, students have 1 period for practical in a week and 6 to 10 have 2 periods for practical in a week. We are also maintaining lab attendance file here. Student attendance, they are doing practical, their attendance, and also there are practical, computer practical list of classes 9 and 10. Thank you.
This is the whole IT room, 1200 square feet, from this side to that side, having 1, 2, 3, 4 doors and many windows are there. We have already seen this extra classroom, and this is our washroom. Now we are moving to music dance room. This is our music dance room. Here is our music teacher. Yes, Saket. He is Saket Singh Thakur.
जी myself Saket Singh Thakur, class principal music teacher.
This is our music stop register, where whatever instruments we have which are necessary for the student, all are maintained. And it's very good in tabla and other things. This is drum and that's synthesizer. Student can sit on this stage while the rehearsal and all the songs. Now we are moving that. We are moving from this music dance room. The music dance room is also our multi-purpose room. This is also our multi-purpose hall. Whenever students are, this is our one. Sometime when there is no music dance period, students can come here for various activities. And next is our indoor sports room. Again, which have 2 doors. We already met Tikesh Sahu there, Tikesh Kumar Sahu, our PDI. They will explain you about the indoor sports.
Table tennis, Chinese checker, कैरम बोर्ड, ये अपना वेट मशीन, कैरम बोर्ड, चेस, and our sport store rooms, hoops, store room, cone, football, volleyball, basketball, skipping, badminton, cricket bat, and all cricket kit.
Now we are moving from this indoor sports room, from this side. Weight machine, which generally after 2 sessions, students their weight and height are measured. with the help of sports teacher, we are moving to next classroom. We are moving from this next classroom, which is extra classroom 4 for upgradation purpose. And we are entering from both the sides. We are entering from this side after showing the label. This is extra classroom, 4th extra classroom. Again 600 square feet and all equipped with desks and benches. Now we are moving to, and all the floors we have the different notice board for the student. We have again that side washroom. We are moving to, cameras are here. All the floor inside the classroom. Inside the classroom also cameras are there. And we are moving to this side again, same washroom is there for washroom area is there for male. That side it is male, it is female. Now this is another fire extinguisher. Its type is, now we are entering to physics lab.
Good morning. I am Ritansh, TGT Science. This is our physics lab. It is 600 square feet. We are having different types of instruments related to physics here. Like this is physical balance. This is spring balance. Now this is ammeter, voltmeter, galvanometer. This is setup for Ohm's law. We are having two-way switch, one-way switch, resistance box, rheostat. As you can see, we are having two pair of instrument. Because of which more and more students could perform the practical at one time. Now here it is set up for oscillatory motion of pendulum. Now we are having many prism, glass slab, plane mirror. So more and more students could perform their practicals of reflection related to reflection or refraction at one time. We are having a screw gauge which is used for find the width of metal sheet. We are having vernier calipers. We are having here magnets also, compass, tuning fork. This is set up for optics, by which a student can find the focal length of lenses. We are having both the lenses and both the mirrors. We are having different types of scales also. Now we are updated our instrument according to class 11 and 12. So we are having here PN junction diode also, Young modulus also, logic gate, meter bridge, etc. Before leaving, I want to show you that we are having physics stop resistor in which particulars are given. Details are given of particulars. We are having revised list of 2020 of practicals. These are previous year manuals of students. Now we are moving towards our biology lab. This is our biology lab. It's 600 square feet, and we are having here biologic stop register in which particular details are here. We are having list of experiment, it is revised, and we are having old manuals of students. Here we are having different type of charts, like you can see digestive system chart, lung system, food pyramid, nitrogen cycle, etc. We have certain specimens also. We are having microscopes also here and list of permanent slides, and we are having stains of a starch and iodine for preparing preparatory slide. Our ventilation is very well so that sun rays or sunlight easily enter here, so we can easily observe the slides. As you can see, we are having glasswares like conical flask. Here it is balanced to weight anything. Graduated cylinder. This is dissection box, and you can see that here is human skeleton. Now we can move towards chemistry. We are also here and one is there. Now we can move towards chemistry class. Chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. It is also 600 square feet. Firstly, I want to show you that we are having chemistry stock register. Chemistry stock register in which chemicals and particulars details are here. We are having list of experiment device list. We are having old previous year manuals of a student, and we are having logbook also, in which we register the name of the student who are coming to lab during their classes. We are there is wash basin and there is another wash basin, and this is Bunsen burner. We are having Bunsen burner. This is Gibbs apparatus, which is used to generate H2S, which is used to generate H2S gas in a small amount. This is glassware burette pipette, which is for titration in 11-12. This is also glassware. These are the solutions which a student can use for performing chemical reactions like combination reaction, displacement reaction, etc. This is weight balance. These are glassware. These are tripod with wire bridge and test tube with stands. Now I am this is spirit lamp, and for this tripod, this is burette and pipette. This is separating funnel, and there are thermometers also, which you can see. Now I want to show you some chemicals there. These are the chemicals which a student can use in their practicals for chemical reactions. We are having stopwatch, filter paper, we are having pH indicator, red litmus and blue litmus paper, by which a student can identify the solution is acidic or basic. And we are having KMnO4, starch, CuSO4, here it is ammonium sulfate, copper sulfate. Thank you.
Now we are moving. We just saw the chemistry lab, then we saw the bio lab, and the physics lab. Is all the labs are three separated, and you can see the outer view of the school, which is very greenish, lustrous, and very good for the eyes to observe. Okay. Now maths lab is still remaining. We are moving to the maths lab. There's chemistry, then bio. We have seen this physics lab, washroom area for the female, for the girls, extra classroom, this indoor sports. In front of the indoor sports, we have maths lab. We are entering to maths lab.
Welcome to our maths lab. Myself Ravi Kumar Verma from TTT Maths. First of all, I will show you log register to different activities to maintain. Second one is the stock register to maintain the stocks of mathematics. There are lot of triangles, shapes, concepts, geometrical, resolution, angles, lot of charts to explain and demonstrate to the children. Then we have two different algebraic identities like squares, like trapezium, like triangles. Then we have two paybooks left for the dummy checkbooks for the banks. Then we have geometry box to explain the different types of shapes. Then we have pie charts to explain the angles. Then we have the measuration and squares. Then we have two probabilities, squares, measurations, magnetic angle triangles and globes, and that is the student's activity logbook. Thank you.
Now we are moving from top floor, that is second floor, to the first floor, then to the principal's office for the next document verification, that is affidavit, fire and safety and all that. We are just moving down from the stairs. We are moving to the principal's office for the document verification. Principal's office for the document verification, that is fire and safety affidavit and all. Sir, we are coming for that all the documents. Yes, we are entering to principal's office. We are entering to, after seeing all the labs, we are entering to the principal's room. He is Santosh Kumar Mishra, director.
क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट दिखाना है?
Yes.
Point number 1,
First,
DO certificate. This DO certificate, page 1, page 2, and page 3. Visible?
Then affidavit.
Current affidavit.
Then fire and safety.
Then
Fire
building
and
safety.
safety, their building.
Then
Then that supporting documents for APH, which we have discussed earlier.
okay.
Okay.
ये तो हेल्थ एंड सैनिटाइजेशन वगैरह आ गया. ठीक है.
Okay. Now moving to this side. All these documents were moving to this side. We have admission form 2016-17, 17-18, 18-19, 19-20 of the students. Okay. We have TOT file, principal along with the teacher, state government circulars. We have CBSE circulars, notice and file. Then we have all the bill of the lab equipments. We have this NCF, new guideline for classes 9
वो
and
लाइब्रेरी
10.
में है ना जो एजुकेशन पॉलिसी
We have discussed that thing. This is board meeting file. And this is the consolidated exams of the exam result, circular related to exams, timetable and all that, all the weekly test planner, half yearly, midterm, and this is the consolidated result from classes 1 to 9 of the session 2019-20. This is admission register 17-18, 16-17, 17-18, 18-19. This is teaching staff register because of the online teachers due to COVID online present is going on. They are not coming physically today due to VIOS video meeting. Some of the teachers came. This is non-teaching staff. Moving to this side. These are the teachers' file, that their personal file where their documents, photocopies are there, and these are service books. These are the activity file, which are the supportive documents from the A to H, which students made last year. For example, this is for class I think 8 is there. No, this is for class 1. Okay, class 1, the student group photo, then assembly, the 26th January, yoga day, 21st June, sports, Diwali, One Mahotsav, first week of, then fancy dress competition, Children's Day, whether they gather together. Like this, every class activity is there. This is class 2, this is class 3rd, This is for class 4, 5, in which they develop different learning objectives. Students, in the student, different learning objectives have been developed. This is for class 7 and this is for class 8. After this is the general stock register, where all the things which are present in the school have been entered properly. This is affiliation bylaws, which is very necessary document, and this is the examination bylaws. These are all the attendance register of last year. These are the lesson plan of different subject made by the different teacher. Online is going on, but this is for session 2020-21. These are different register, POSCO committee, sexual harassment, grievance, school management committee, that is SMC, 2 meetings over online. This is duty register for guards and group D staff. This is our school prospectus. This is our school prospectus, school infrastructure, message of CEO, infrastructure, academic program, scientific lab and all that. The seminars attended by the teacher. This is our school diary. These are all the samples of the progress report. Kavita Giri Goswami ma'ams, these are all the documents.
Class 10. Class 10.
Shweta, इसके बाद आना.
12. BA Part 3. B.Ed. M.Ed. MA Final. Logbook.
Now, after this, we are moving to the for the faculty verification, their documents verification, faculty introduction. From the staff room, the teacher just moved to the library because due to COVID, they want a vast space to sit and discuss. So first we are going to Shweta Adi. She is our librarian. You have your documents.
Yes.
Original document just show. Everybody take out the original documents, 10, 12, Aadhaar card, resume, graduation last year and B.Ed last year. Only documents. And keep the service book along with you. Meaning are there, only that important because she is now you can introduce and show your documents.
Myself, Ravi Kumar Verma, TGT Math. It's not problem.
I am Ravi Kumar Verma. He is Ravi Kumar Verma, TGT Maths. Now he is showing his original documents.
BA.
Some of the and BA. He did BSc in Maths and BA.
Yes.
This is BSc final year and BA. Now we are moving to next teaching staff.
I am Neelam Yadav, TGT Computer Management. I did MPhil in Computer Science, MSc IT, BSc in Computer Science.
She is Amritansh.
I am Amritansh. I am Amritansh, TGT Science. This is 12th, 10th mark sheet. This is 12th mark sheet. BSc Part 1.
Slowly, slowly.
BSc Part 1. BSc Part 2.
Graduation.
BSc Part 3.
Education. First year, second year.
MSc in Physics. This is B.Ed.
I'm Vanna Verma, TGT Hindi.
कौन सा रिजल्ट है बोलो क्या कौन सा रिजल्ट है भी बताना है
EME Hindi final and B.Ed final. NPA.
Mathematics 12th, 10th. Graduation first, BA first year. Second year. Final year. BPEd first sem. BPEd second sem. BPEd third sem. BPEd fourth sem. MPEd first sem, Master of Physical Education. Second sem. Third sem. Fourth sem. BPEd degree set.
I am Shubhangi Hanakar. I am karate teacher. This is 10th. This is 10th result, and this 12th result. This is graduation result. This is PGT, and this is B.Ed result.
I am Janupa Sahu, PRT, as well as yoga teacher. 10th. Yoga science. Shahnaaz Begum, ERT, 10th,
ठीक है
12th, BCom first, second, final, D.Ed first and second. I'm Sunita River, TGT Sanskrit.
Then
10th, 12th,
BA final, direct final,
BA final, D.Ed, and Sanskrit. Computer PGDCA.
now we are moving from the section of faculty introduction, and I think we have covered all the areas. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Okay.